Hey guys, today's wine text is the Descarte from Elias Mora. So some of you may already know Elias Mora. I know we sent out his Crianza on wine text before, but this is kind of the next step up for him in terms of quality. It's still Toro, so it's still made from Tinto de Toro, which is the local clone of Tempranillo. Toro obviously means bull in Spanish, and it's a pretty good name for the wine actually because it's very muscular, it's very masculine, it's super robust. Toro is a small region. It's kind of about 40 miles east of the border with Portugal, so it's kind of northwest of Spain. And the wines here are massive. I mean, they really are. Let's see how this is. So this is from some of the more northern-oriented vineyards. It's about 40 years old in terms of the vines here. The soil is kind of sandy clay with very large, kind of fist-sized rocks in it. The wine is super deep, super black, a lot of blue and black fruit on the nose, some incense, some violet. A lot of black pepper, like really fresh, cracked black pepper on there. It's kind of a hallmark of Tempranillo. Like I said, a lot of blue and black fruit in there as well. Some cloves, some kind of aromatic notes on the finish here. All together really well put together. It's a little cold, it just came in. So I probably let it warm up and it needs to breathe a little bit more. It's a little tight right out of the bottle. But all in all, a really great wine. And for Toro, which is kind of an underrepresented region when it comes to Spain, this is definitely one of the top producers. It is definitely the kind of level of quality that we're looking for wine text. So hope you guys enjoy this one.